Cylindrical battery rotary welding system. Scanner Optics has independently developed a multi-station turret flying welding system. Utilizes grading fully digital Galvo scanner, GMC control cards, and customized software. With 12 kilowatts maximum laser power capacity. Employs closed-loop control for real-time monitoring of scanner position and status. High-level safety mechanism capable of shutting down the laser within 10 ms. High precision and high speed, supporting turret rotation speeds 1 meter per second. Compatible with various welding trajectories. Supports a customized multi-station turntable in practical applications. Significantly enhance the production efficiency of cylindrical batteries.